Hello friends, today we are going to make the MTR Khaman Dhokla, and I have the packet of MTR Khaman Dhokla right here, ready mix packet right here with me. And I have also purchased this lifelong steamer pot which I'm going to use to make the Khaman Dhokla. And I have this bowl right here, a mixing bowl that I have, which is a Tupperware dabba which I'm using as a mixing bowl. So let's go ahead and start making the MTR Khaman Dhokla. For that we need to first cut open this pouch and then mix in oil with it and water to form a batter. So I'm just going to I'm going to show you how it looks inside. This is how it looks. There's a mixture of gram flour in it, there's besan and rava and sugar which is there in it. So what all ingredients are there? It's a mixture of gram flour, rava, sugar, acidity regulators, iodized salt and raising agents, turmeric powder, rice flour, hing and anti-caking agents are there. So we are going to pour this whole packet into this mixing bowl right now. So here we have emptied the packet of MTR Khaman Dhokla ready mix right here, and into this we are going to add 8 tablespoons of oil. So I'm just going to add 8 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and mix it a bit, and then we are going to add in 500 ml of water. So I kept the 500 ml water also ready. So half a biscuit bottle that I have with me right here. So this is 500 ml of water which I am going to pour in it and make it into a smooth paste. So I'm going to pour in little by little and keep mixing it at the same time to form a smooth batter. So we need to form a smooth batter out of this. Make sure to scrape the sides and keep mixing. You know, mix it all well to form a smooth batter. Now you can see it's coming into a battery consistency as I keep adding water to it. I'm adding it slowly so that no lumps should be formed at the end of it. You want the batter to be nice and smooth and not lumpy for the Khaman Dhokla. Keep mixing it till you see like a smooth batter form like this. So I'm still left with some water that I need to pour in. I'm going to pour that in slowly by slowly. I don't want to add in more water than they have asked to. So I'm pouring slowly by slowly, little by little. Make sure that the consistency is perfect and there are no lumps formed. I've added all the 500 ml water now to the dhokla mix, and this is the consistency that we need. It has to be nice and smooth, just breaking any lumps that can be found right now. And you can see that it has come to a smooth consistency. Now that we have mixed it, we'll just let it rest for like 5 minutes. It's not given that it needs to rest for 5-10 minutes, but I'll just let it rest for 5-10 minutes, and then we'll grease this cake pan that I have right here. We are going to grease this with some oil, and then we are going to pour this batter in this pan and steam it in the lifelong steamer pot that I have on the gas. Now guys, we'll pour in the batter into the pan. We'll just pour it till half the pan's size, because generally the dhokla will come up when it heats up. So we'll just stop here. Now we are going to cook the Khaman Dhokla from MTR, and for that I have taken this lifelong steamer pot right here. I'm going to pour in water in the bottom pan of it. So I'm going to fill it till half full. Fill it till here, because I'm going to cook it till 20 minutes on steam. So just fill it till here, and on top of that we're going to place the upper pan right here, the steamer pan. It goes right here, and inside this we are going to place a pan of the MTR Khaman Dhokla. So I place the baking pan with the MTR Khaman Dhokla into the lifelong steamer pot right here. You can see this. And so first I'm just going to let the water boil, and then we will place it in this form. For now I'll remove it aside and let the water boil first. We will just let the water boil right now, and once the water comes to a boil, we'll place this upper pot on top of this steaming water pan. And this is from the brand Lifelong, which I purchased today itself to prepare the Khaman Dhokla. This is my Sunday evening snacks that I'm preparing for myself. The MTR ready to eat Khaman Dhokla, a perfect snack for a Sunday evening. So just going to prepare that. So once the water boils, we'll place this on top of the pan, and then we'll let it cook for like 20 minutes on steam. So we'll just wait for the water to boil first. So now that the steam has started to come, I have placed the steamer on top of it, and we are going to let it steam for like around 20 minutes. And then MTR Khaman Dhokla should be ready to eat. In 7 to 8 minutes right now, you can see how the dhokla has puffed up, and we have to keep it for another 7 to 10 minutes. So we are going to let it rest, be on the steam for another 7 to 10 minutes to properly cook. And you can see like a cake, it has just come up. It looks wonderful. So guys, the Khaman Dhokla is ready, and I'm just going to turn on the flame right now, and it is all ready. It's been like 18 minutes and it looks perfectly ready to me. I'm going to lift this up. You can see how perfectly it has come out. Looks so nice and perfect. You just need to garnish this with some tadka oil and it will be good to serve.